And this is part 2 of the Peppermint Hot Chocolate Bomb. See, there's chocolate in there. And see my Snoopy and Woodstock. Gotta love it. So, everybody should stay safe out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Cheers to 2025. Good stuff. Maybe tonight I'll do some tea, but for right now, hot chocolate is what is on the menu. Happy adventures and travels. And here she is again. She wants to go out again. Play in snow. But for us that don't like to play in snow because it's too cold, hot chocolate. The hot chocolate bomb is the best.